This video is sponsored by Coates, manufacturers of tire changers, wheel balancers, lifts, and accessories. Visit CoatesGarage.com for more information.
I'm Patty Renner, editor of Tire Review. Go to any industry event, and if you're lucky, you'll find another tire dealer or two to connect with and to share ideas. With that in mind, we asked top tire dealers from across the country to share their best advice and ideas with you on video. Welcome to Top Shop Tips.
My name is Ed Whitehead. We have 4 Tire Pro stores in Arizona, 2 in Yuma, Arizona, 1 in Welton, Arizona, and 1 in Casa Grande. Probably never heard of some of those places, but we're a family-owned operation, and we want to carry on. I have my son and my daughter both work in the company, and I'm hoping that they show enough interest and initiative. I'm not going to force them to be part of it, but I think they've chosen to, and they've really excelled in a lot of areas. We're very happy to learn from them and to try to teach them, but I think we learn from them more than they learn from us sometimes, because they come with knowledge that we didn't have. They have already learned some of the things that we have to struggle right now to catch on with, like Instagram and Twitter and some of those other things. It's very common for them, so hopefully they can help take us to the next level.